created successfully. So our database has created successfully.
Okay.
Just a second. So here you can see it's like giving your database has been completed successfully, created successfully. Okay, so we'll close it and then we check the listener status here. So there is no listener, and here we need to check PS-EF 5 grade PMON. Okay, so here PMON ORCL, your database is running here. Okay, here as you can see the Aura PMON ORCL. Yes, ORCL, this is your database which is running fine. So LSNRCTL start. CL. So we are at Oracle home location. So we will go to the CD network admin. Okay, and we are at listener location where listener is available. Now we will listener file, open it. And why it's not started? Because here we have mentioned 19 only. We forgot to mention the C. So that's why it was giving the problem. Okay. So we given the 19C. Now we have like set up. Now we will try to start listener and SNRCTL start. So now we have started the listener. Here you can check instance or ORCL is running on that listener. Service ORCL has one instance. Okay. So now our listener is running fine. This is our listener status. Now we can ping the ORCL. So here we can check it's pinging fine. TNS ping ORCL, which we have created as I told you. This is the connection string name. Okay, so what we will do? We will connect to the Oracle database. So what we will do? SQL plus either we can give slash as sysdba. Okay, so it will get connected to the Oracle user. Either we can give SQL plus sys at the rate we have created the connection string name as sysdba. Okay, so here we need to give the sys password which we have given on creation time. We have given the single password for sys and system for both. So I have given the quality. Okay, so I have given the quality. So here we have given the SQL plus sys@orcl. ORCL means which name we have given in the TNS name.ora file. So TNS name.
I have a doubt, bhai. I have a doubt.
Yes.
Here SQL plus is given na. What is the internally what is going on backend like SQL plus means what is it like?
It's a Oracle tool which by using SQL plus we will connect to the SQL prompt only, where we can create the Oracle database like tables and whatever the DDL and DML command you want to perform. So you need to
Okay.
connect to the SQL plus. This is the tool, Oracle tool.
Okay. Oracle tool.
Yeah, Oracle tool there is a multiple tool SQL plus your you know that the Arman backup. So Arman is
Yeah,
also the Oracle tool. EXPDP,
okay.
EXP, that is also the Oracle tools. So
Okay.
NetCA, NetMGR, that is the Oracle tools one. Okay, by using that tools and all, we can do the whatever the requirement as per the your requirement. Like if you want to create a user, or you need to perform DDL DML command, so you need to connect to the SQL plus. If you want to create the listener or TNS, then you need to execute the NetCA or NetMGR. If you want to create the database by using Oracle or DBCA, you can create the database, you can drop the database. Okay. Yeah, so these are the Oracle tools for different things. So whatever the things you want to do, so by using that tool, you can if you want to drop a listener or create a listener, so you know that by using NetMGR or NetCA, we can create the listener or drop the listener. So that is the tool. So just you need to know about that, what tool will use for what things. Okay, so SQL plus SSDB. So this is our database where we have connected. So what we will do, select name, open mode, database role, and created from $database. Okay, sorry.
I think database role is
Yeah, database.
not.
Yeah. Here it's giving your database name. Okay. Mode is read write mode. Okay. Database role is primary and created is today's date. Okay. So this is the normal database creation, listener creation, and TNS name creation. Okay. Yeah, so this is the normal things which we have created a database, and by using this is the data dictionary view. By using this data dictionary view, you can check the database related things only. So if you want to want to know the more columns, so just describe $database. It will give you the more detail about. So if you want to check the log mode, okay, and flash recovery is enable or not, version time protection mode, so it will give you the whole things. So if you want to check archive log is enable or not, so just give archive log is, so it will give you the archive mode. Okay, it's enable and the location is /U01 archive log. Okay. If you go to that location, so there around 4 archive log should be available on that location. Just a second. /C01 archive log. Okay. We actually did not. So alter system switch log file. Okay. So archive log list. Okay. So now it's showing 5 and 7. Now we disconnect it from here and do the so we have like switches for 2 times, so that's why it's created the 2 archive log 5 and 6, and current is going 7. So current means ki as I said in architecture, current means where the Oracle database is writing the data. So that is the current. Okay. So current until once it will uh, like your seventh archive log will get full, or your like database will switch to the next archive logs or next group. So it will generate that seventh number of log sequence physically. Okay. So current means where it's writing the data, where it's writing the data. So that's why 7 will not be available until the either it will get full, either you will like shut down your database, either you will switch manually. Okay, so this is the archive log mode which will you like need to be enable it. Either if you want to like disable it, then keep your database shut down and then go to the mount stage, and then I will show you just a second. Also, you should know about that the database always on production server, database should be in archive mode. Always keep the database in archive log mode, because it will be like it needs to be recover if your like if your database will get crash. So it will like help to recover your database until the crash time. So if you want to recover your database until the crash time, so on that time, that archive log file should be available on the server. That archive log file should be available on your server until the crash time. Whatever the after the backup and until the crash time, whatever the archive has generated, so that all the archive log should be available on the server. So whatever we perform the database restoration and recovery, so on that time we will firstly we will restore the database by using our last backup, and then after whatever the changes happen in our database, so it will be available in your archive log only. So as you know that I explained in our architecture. So yes, so after the backup and until the crash time, whatever the archive log generated, so all the data will be available in that archive log. So when we like execute the command recover database, then it will start to recover the data from your archive log one, and it will recover the data until the crash time. So that's why archive log is like a very important part for the recovery, and also it's very important for your like when we configure the data guard. So on that time also it's very important. Okay, so this is our basic database like installation and like your database creation and all. Okay, so uh, as we have like seen software installation, database creation, listener creation, TNS file creation. Okay, so these are the things. So tomorrow I will show you how to enable the archive log. Okay, and how to multiplex the redo log, multiplexing of redo log. So currently, as you know that. we have described $3 law. Select group as from $3 log. So as you know that each group have only one member, right? So tomorrow I will show you how to add a member in a group, because every group have one member, and as I show you, at least two member should be available in groups. So what happen if suppose one member will get crash, so we can recover the database by using the second member. So as I told you, uh, in a group, if we have two members or three members, so each member have the same information, same data as the member one have, whatever the data or information have in member one. So same data is available in your member two or member three. So if something happen in with your like member one, so you can replace with member two. We copy like your member to 5 and replace with your member one, and then start the database. So it will start your database in read write mode. So I will show you tomorrow how to multiplex the redo log. Okay. And then we'll show you the how to like enable or disable the archive log. Okay. And then I will show you if we have the time, then we'll show you the table space management also. So tomorrow I will show you redo log multiplexing, uh, enable archive log, how to enable and disable, and also I will show you the table space management. Okay, so we'll do it by tomorrow. Okay, so you will install the Oracle database software and install the I will share the video. Actually, currently I don't have the electric power. So once power will come, so I will upload the video on the that location drive. So you will easily you will download
Yeah,
it
okay,
from.
sure.
Okay. Okay.
And now today, shall I do this one after the video got it from your end?
Sorry.
Shall I do all these things like what your section I have today now?
No, your voice is like breaking.
Take a minute. What I'm telling is,
Yes, now.
today we created this one. Installation is happened, everything happened. Shall I do from my end also? Like otherwise, tomorrow I have to wait after completion of the session.
Uh, what tomorrow? You want to like database installation and creation
Right.
by tomorrow?
No, I'm telling, shall I do from my end this one in
Okay,
my computer?
you will try from your end. Okay, if you will face any problem or anything, then let me know. I will help you to like install and create the database.
Yeah, and one more thing, I have the software Oracle 12C.
No, I will share the 19C. Okay.
Okay.
So
After sharing it, I will try from my end. Okay.
okay. I will share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so I will disconnect the session by today only.
Okay, whenever you have a free time, just